Hi everyone, my name is Adriana Barros. I'm a certified Bodytalk practitioner. The Bodytalk system is a holistic healthcare system designed to bring balance to the body-mind, looking for the root cause of the problem, and it is quantum physics based, which gives us the unity approach to the body-mind. Everything within the body depends on each other in order to function, so we don't look at isolated body parts or look for the symptom. We look for the root cause and the emotions attached to what caused that communication to break down in the first place. Bodytalk is also preventive medicine. Today I'm here to talk about scars, and scars happen on the skin when we have a trauma or a knee or a surgery, and it can also be deep under the skin, and it's called adhesion, and both of them can affect the energy flow in the body, and this energy is called chi, which has two aspects, the feminine and the masculine aspect to it, which is the yin and yang, and those are representations in Chinese medicine. The chi energy can be really affected by scars and adhesions, and they can affect creating blockages internally, and those blockages can really start having ramifications throughout the body. Scars and adhesions, they can represent also an attempt of the body to try and repair that breakage and the continuation of that sheet, of that tissue, and which can be a result of a trauma or a surgery. So this repair makes the tissue grow, and if it grows in a healthy way, the scar is going to be healthy, it's going to be light and small, and will have no temperature. However, it's an unhealthy scar, then it's going to be a variation of temperature on it, it's going to be raised, and it's going to be red. Now, unhealthy scars, they can make the skin surface have the meridians affected. The meridians are energy pathways that run through the body, and they can be superficial meridians, and they can also be internal meridians, the deeper ones. And so either scars and adhesions, they can affect both levels of meridians. And the meridians are very important because those energy pathways, they run through the main 12 organs in the body. On the other hand, we have fascia. Fascia, as we've already talked in the past, is that 3D tissue that holds our body together and every single body part internally. Every organ, muscles, bones, blood, lymph, and all the cells, and all the way down to the skeleton. Now, when fascia gives the shape to the body, so if you were to remove fascia from our body, fascia would still hold the hologram of our body. However, fascia is also responsible for the movement in our body, so that's what makes us bend, that makes us glide, that makes us have the movement, because it lubricates the body. Without fascia, we wouldn't be able to move. When we have an unhealthy connective tissue, it will interfere with this hologram of the body, and also it will affect the balance throughout our skeleton. And also internally, the organs, everything will be affected. Now, when there's trauma or irritation anywhere in the body, it also lays down an extra connective tissue, meaning you will help mend, mobilize, you will help bind and splint structures internally, and function as a glue to hold everything together. So the fascia substance that it provides that lubrication and mobility to the body, when it builds on top of the other, it starts becoming sticky like glue, And also it will interfere with the collagen fibers in the body. And they would have to be built one on top of the other in order to be healthy. However, when compromised, they start becoming, you know, in a hector-skelter kind of way, and that will start affecting circulation in the body, and the blood length and all that. Also, we will decrease the range of motion internally, muscle strength, and compromise also endocrine function. Internal scar or adhesion, on the other hand, might also be a result from a previous injury that the body could have sustained. And in an attempt to actually heal that, it can actually start blocking energy, nerve, blood, lymph, everything internally in that specific body part. Now, if how well an incision heals or not, you depend on the general health of the individual at the time of the injury, and also the emotional stress that the person held at the time. Example, at a surgery, if the person had a body part removed, for example, and that changed their life completely. So all those things will affect the healing of fascia. And in Bodytalk, we can really clear the stressors that actually affect the healing and the composition of that fascia, the way it builds. So it's important to really look at that area and decrease the emotions and the memories that were attached to that injury when sustained. So in order for you to know more about fascia or about Bodytalk and how can Bodytalk benefit you from releasing those scars and tissues, please contact me. My information is in the description box below, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you.